So student, this is our next question, which is of differential equation question. What states solve dy by dx minus y is equal to 1. First we need to understand what type of differential equation it is. Basically this is homogeneous linear equation or variable separable. First we need to understand what type of equation is it. So this equation is of the type dy by dx plus p of x equals to q. That means this is a linear differential equation, very simple, where q is equal to 1 and p of x is also minus 1. So here we are going to write p equals to minus 1 and q equals to 1. So we need to find the integrating factor, that is called if. If equals to e raised to the power integration of p of dx, very simple. So e raised to the power integration of p is minus 1 into dx, which is equal to e raised to the power minus x only. So this is our integrating factor. Now we have to write the solution here. So we are going to write y into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor into dx, very simple. So y into integrating factor is what? Y into e raised to the power minus x equals to q is nothing but 1 only. So integrating factor integration is e raised to the power minus x. Integration of this is nothing but what? Minus of e raised to the power minus x. So equals to minus e raised to the power minus x plus c you are going to get. So this is your solution of differential equation only. Now what it states basically? So it states y of 0 equals to 1. That means we have to substitute the value of x equal to 0 here. So and y is equal to 1. So 1 into e raised to the power minus 0 is equal to minus e raised to the power minus 0 plus c. We need to find the value of c here. So e raised to the power minus 0 is nothing. So 1 equals to minus 1 plus c. So this implies c equals to 2. So you are getting c equals to 2. Now we need to substitute this value here in our solution set. So y into e raised to the power minus x equals to this plus c, that is plus 2 only. So here we have y into e raised to the power minus x equals to e raised to the power minus x plus c. What we are going to do? We are going to divide it throughout by e raised to the power minus x. So we are going to get y, then e raised to the power minus x is going to get cancelled, plus c upon e raised to the power minus x. So this is equal to basically y is equal to 1 plus c into e raised to the power x. Now value of c is 2. So this is equal to what? Y is equal to 2 into e raised to the power x. This is plus 1. So in option, if we are going to check, so here we missed actually minus sign here. So minus e raised to the power minus x. So here we are going to get minus 1 only. So that was something wrong here. So we need to put negative here because of this only. So our option is option number 4 here. Very simple.